To apply for a PC Optimum card, you want to go to pcoptimum.ca. On the website, select register and then select what best describes you. I want to join PC Optimum, then select continue. So here to proceed, specify your email address and the password to continue. Agree to the privacy policy, agree to PC Optimum terms and conditions, and then select create PC ID account. Complete the registration by providing your first and last name and a mobile phone number. Then agree to the terms and conditions and select continue. Enter the verification code that was sent to your mobile phone and then select continue. So you can go ahead and download the PC Optimum mobile app from the App Store or the Play Store. And once you download the mobile app and log in, you'll be able to see your virtual card. So let's do that. So I already went ahead and signed into the app, right? And once you select scan, you'll see the digital card that was assigned to you. And that's basically it. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.